Creating a professional pitch deck usually means hours of stressful formatting and design work, taking you away from actual building your business. But what if you could go from a single prompt to a stunning investor-ready presentation in just minutes? Today, we're looking at Vengage's AI pitch deck generator, giving you the creative freedom to effortlessly build out your startup's vision without needing prior design experience. So one of the hardest parts of creating a pitch deck is getting started. Instead of staring at a blank presentation and trying to figure out what every slide should contain, Venngage lets you generate an entire pitch deck from a single text prompt. So here we are entering a business concept directly into the AI pitch deck generator. And what I like about this process is how quickly it goes from an idea to something tangible. There's my concept, an AI-powered grocery assistant that helps busy professionals automatically plan meals, create shopping lists, compare prices across stores, and schedule grocery deliveries. Now, within seconds, the AI starts building out a complete presentation structure, including slide layouts, content suggestions, and visual elements. This is especially useful for founders, consultants, marketers, or anyone who needs to create professional presentations quickly without spending hours building slides manually. And the nice thing about this is that you're not locked into the first version of the AI template of what it creates. Once the presentation has been generated, everything can be edited directly inside the platform. So instead of exporting the deck and moving between different tools, you can continue to refine the content, visuals, and overall design from the same workspace. This makes it feel more like a complete presentation platform rather than a simple AI generator. For example, if a section of text needs improvement, you can simply click into the content and make adjustments directly inside the editor. And if you're not happy with the wording, Venngage includes an AI-powered rewrite tool that can help refine the messaging without needing to start over right now. It's just checking the additions and it updates it. Also, the same applies to visual elements as well. So if an icon or graphic doesn't quite match your business niche, you can quickly swap it out without rebuilding the slide. Rather than hunting through external asset libraries, a lot of those adjustments can be handled directly inside the editor. And that's really where the platform starts to feel efficient. As we can see here, you can just alter the style and the font of your slides. You can even update the overall look and feel of the presentation with just a few clicks. As you can see here, we can just pick and choose on what elements we want to change and refine, just tinker here and there a little bit. And then once that's in, you can just lock in that design. Now, one feature that stands out here is the built-in accessibility checker. This goes beyond simply creating the presentation and helps ensure that the content is accessible to a wider audience. As the tool reviews the slides, it can identify things like the contrast issues and accessibility improvements that might otherwise be overlooked. As you can see, you can go through all of these accessibility checks and see which ones need reviews. And having those checks built directly into the platform makes the process much easier. There you got a few more of scores that you can check, any that you need to resolve once they have been detected. And then you can just preview it. Once everything is finalized, we check everything there. And once that, the presentation can be exported as an accessible PDF ready to share with clients, stakeholders, or potential investors. It's a small detail, but one that adds a level of professionalism than missing from basic design tools. Another area where the AI becomes useful is during the refinement process. If you're looking at a slide and something feels off, the platform can provide suggestions to help improve the design. So rather than replacing your creativity, it acts more like a creative partner that offers additional design. You can also experiment with AI-generated images and icons directly inside the workspace. Instead of searching elsewhere for supporting visuals, you can continue building and refining your presentation without breaking your workflow. As you can see here, I just type in this little prompt and it will give me some images to work with. That can also be the same with my icon. There's some other really jazzy icons that I can pop in. What's particularly impressive is that this isn't just one standalone tool. With a free Venngage account, you can gain access to more than 100 AI-powered design generators covering a wide range of business and creative use cases. So whether you're creating pitch decks, graphic organizers, infographics, reports, presentations, or visual content, there are tools designed specifically for those workflows. And with tools being added regularly, the platform feels more like a complete AI-powered ecosystem rather than a single-purpose generator. So if you're already creating visual content as part of your work, it's easy to see how having access to that many tools in one place could become a significant advantage. Form your designs in minutes with Vengage's AI tools. Click the link in the description to get started on your first pitch deck for free and use code REVIEW50 to enjoy 50% off an annual Venngage premium or business plan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.